Today, we're going to walk through a probability question step by step. Here's the question. 2 6-sided dice are rolled. What is the probability that the results will be a 6 and a 6? First, let's think about what kind of probability problem this is. Since we're rolling 2 dice, and each die is independent, this is a multiple probabilities question. And remember from our strategy, when we have multiple probabilities, we always multiply, not add. Let's find the probability for each individual roll first. What's the probability of rolling a 6 on one die? Since there are 6 sides, and only one side is a 6, the probability is 1 out of 6, or 1 over 6. Now, because the second die is a separate roll, the probability of rolling another 6 is also 1 over 6. Since these are independent rolls, we multiply the probabilities together. 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 equals 1 over 36. So the final answer is 1 over 36. This means there is a 1 in 36 chance that you will roll a 6 and another 6 when you roll 2 dice. Quick recap. 2 independent events. Multiply probabilities. Each die has a 1 over 6 chance of landing on 6. 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 equals 1 over 36. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.